To change the default keyboard on Samsung Galaxy S26 series, do this: swipe upwards, tap on the settings, scroll all the way down, tap on general management. Now go down, you will see keyboard. Tap on the keyboard. At the top here, you will see default keyboard. Tap on the default keyboard. And the default keyboard here, you would notice here is the default keyboard. There are two types. Now by default, we have the Samsung keyboard. Okay, now let's say you want to change it to the other keyboard there, which is Microsoft Swift Key keyboard. Now before we change it, I want to show you what the Samsung keyboard looks like. So we'll go to here. So you see here, this is what the Samsung keyboard looks like. All right, so let's go change it to the other keyboard. So I'll go back to the default keyboard and tap on it. Now tap there. So right now we have Microsoft Swift Key keyboard, which I just changed. So let's look. Can you see what the keyboard looks here? It looks different, right? If this video helped you, consider subscribing, sharing the video, liking the video. Drop me a comment if you like the default or the changed one, which is the Microsoft one. Let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.